In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the chat feature effortlessly in your application. This is a fundamental skill that can enhance how you communicate and manage discussions, whether for personal or professional use. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and user-friendly. First, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find various icons and options that serve different functions. Among them is the chat feature, which is what we're focusing on today. You simply need to click on the chat icon, and this will take you to the chat section of the application. Once you've opened the chat section, you'll be presented with two main options. You can either select an existing chat from your list of previous conversations or start a fresh new chat. If you've been using this application for a while, you might find a range of past chats you can choose from. Simply click on any of them to continue the conversation comfortably from where you left off. However, if you wish to start a new chat, perhaps with a new contact or a different topic, that's equally simple. Look for the option to begin a new chat, which is usually quite visible, typically marked with a plus sign or a button labeled New Chat. Clicking on this will create a fresh conversation thread ready for you to use. Now that you're ready to type your message, go ahead and click into the main text box. This is where your messages are composed before they're sent. Begin typing your message, and once you're satisfied and have double-checked everything for clarity and accuracy, you're ready to send it off. This is as simple as hitting the send button, which is often symbolized by an arrow or a small airplane icon. And there you have it. You've sent your message into the virtual ether, ready for instant delivery to your chosen recipient. Remember, the chat feature is designed to facilitate seamless communication, so it's always good to be clear and concise in your messages. Additionally, utilizing appropriate tones and ensuring the right use of language can foster better understanding and collaboration. In professional settings, keeping messages professional is essential, whereas in personal chats, a relaxed tone is perfectly fine. Also, take advantage of any additional features the chat might offer, such as attaching files, sending emojis, or customizing your chat settings to suit your preferences. Learning to use these features well can truly enhance your overall chatting experience. And there you have it, folks. You've learned how to navigate the chat feature. This skill will surely come in handy as you use this tool to connect and communicate with others. Remember, the more you practice, the more proficient you'll become at using this essential feature. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!